Today we are going to do our work a bit differently. We're going to choose two numbers, 3 and 4, and find out the common multiples of these numbers from 1 to 100. So I'll start with the multiples of 3 firstly, just as we did before. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now, done my form of multiples of 3. So, I'll use the same form and begin to get numbers that are multiples of 4 on the same form. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one will be 8 if you count 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Oops, something is happening here. Now already 12 is a multiple of 3. Now 4. That means 12 is also a multiple of 4. The next number will be 16, because remember, we are doing multiples of 4. 16, and then the next number will be 20. So, look at the patterns we have here. 3, just as before, the pink triangles show us the multiples of 3, and you can see that now the yellow rectangles show us the multiples of 4. So let's see how we can connect these different shapes. As before, we have 3, 12, 21, all multiples of 3. So we'll connect them and see what we get. And here we have 16, 15, 24, 23, 42, 51, all multiples of 3. And so on. Let's connect the next diagonal line, multiples of 3, 9, 18, 20, 7, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. We connect them. With a straight line, you can use any straight edge, you can use your ruler. Another one, 30, 39, 48, 57, 66, 75, 84, 93, all multiples of 3. We connect these ones. And we connect these other ones here, multiples of 3. All fall diagonally on the form. Now let's connect the numbers that are multiples of 4, the yellow ones. See here, 4, 24, 44, 64. So let's connect that and see. You see what has happened here? Let's see. The diagonal line and the vertical line intersect at 24, showing that 24 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. Let's connect the ones here that are multiples of 4. We see another pattern here. 12. These lines intersect as 12. The diagonal line and the vertical line intersect at 12, 42, 72. So those are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Let's see here. Here we see that they intersect the lines, the vertical line and the diagonal line intersect at 36 and 96. So 36 and 96 are common multiples of 3 and 4. Let's see what we have here. Here we see that the diagonal line and the vertical line intersect at 48 and just on 48. So here 48 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. And here you see that they intersect, the lines intersect at 60, intersect at just 60. So you can see the common multiples of the numbers 3 and 4 at the point where the lines intersect. So if you do the same thing here, I have another one here. Here, the numbers we have are 6 and 8. So we see the numbers 6, 12, 18, and so on, all the way to 96, or multiples of 6. After that, we have to take 8 to find the multiples of 8. That is the pentagon. So we use the pentagon and the shape pentagon to identify the multiples of 8. So now let's draw our lines to find the common multiples of 6 and 8. Where the lines will intersect, just as we did before. Or you can go ahead and do it. So just as before, you draw the lines. So I'm going to stop here. You go ahead and draw the lines and find out where the lines intersect so you can get the common multiples of 6 and 8. After that, you can take other numbers any pair of numbers you can choose and find their common multiples.